Hello students, today we will discuss about the chapter linear equation in two variables. In the chapter number 2, we have learned about the linear equations. What are the linear equations, what are the quadratic equations, what are the cubic equations and so on. Linear equations means the equation whose degree is 2. Degree means highest power of the given algebraic expression or highest power of the polynomial. Sorry, degree 1. Then the given is the linear equation. Now in this chapter we will talk about the linear equation in two variables. Means we use the two variables with the degree 1. So that one will be the linear equation in two variables. Suppose firstly I am taking linear equation with one variable. If I am taking this one linear equation in one variable, it means I am using like this one, 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Here this is the linear equation because the degree of x is equal to 1, it means this one, and one variable, only x is the variable. If we will solve it, then the answer will be 2x is equal to minus 5 or x is equal to minus 5 upon 2. Means if x is equal to minus 5 upon 2, it will represent on the real number line. This is the x-axis. This is 0 and this is minus 5 by 2. Means approximately minus 2.5. This is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 3. It means this one point will be minus 2.5 or minus 5 by 2. This is the linear equation with one variable. But in this chapter we will discuss about linear equation with two variables. Linear equation with two variables means now we will take two variables with degree 1, means like 2x plus y is equal to 3. We have taken this one, 2x plus y is equal to 3. This is the linear equation with two variables. Variables x and y are the variables and both have the degree 1, so that this linear equation with two variables. Now how many solutions we can get from this equation? Because this is a single equation, so that we will get infinitely number of solutions from this one. Infinitely many solutions. Now how infinitely many solutions? See, this is 2x plus y is equal to 3. We can write it as y is equal to 3 minus 2x. Means if we change the value of x, we will get changed value of y. We can write any of the number, any of the integer, any of the value of x. Supporting that, we will get the value of y. Suppose firstly I draw a block and so on. Suppose this is x and this is y. If I will write x is equal to x, we will change the value of x, we will get the value of y. If I am writing the value of x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, it means 3 minus 2 into 0, 2 into 0, 0, the value of y equal to 3. If I am writing x is equal to 1, then 2 1s are 2, so 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. I am writing x is equal to minus 1, minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Similarly, I am writing here 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 minus 4 means minus 1. I will write minus 2, 2 2s are 4 or 3, 7, 3, 3 to the 6, 3 minus 6 minus 3, or if I am writing here minus 3, then the value is 3 to the 6 plus 6 or plus 3, 9, and so on. Means change the value of x, get the value of y, so that a linear equation with two variables have the infinitely many solutions if we are getting only a single equation. Similarly, if now one question is this: the standard form of linear equation. What is the standard form of linear equation? The standard form of the linear equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form of a linear equation. Means, suppose the given equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to, 2x plus y. I am taking the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. And by comparing these two forms, I want to get the value of a, b and c. Means, firstly I have to write this one equation in the standard form. Means we must write it as 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. Now these two forms are same, this and this. If we are comparing these values, I am getting a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 8. This is the value of a, b and c by comparing the given polynomial or given algebraic expression with the standard form. But if the one variable equation is given, suppose I want to compare 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. I want to compare this equation with the standard form, then what I will do? Here is a single variable, but in the standard form we are seeing that there are the two variables. Simply I will convert this one into two variable equation. I can write it as 2x plus 0 into y, because when 0 is multiplied by any number, anything, we will get the 0. So that we will write here 2x plus 0y plus 5 is equal to 0. If we are comparing these two values, then what we are getting? A is equal to 2, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to 5. So that we can compare the single variable linear equation or a two variable linear equation with the standard form of the linear equation. In this one, we also learn about this one, how we will write a single variable equation into the two variable equation. Suppose one question is given, write 3x plus 8 is equal to 0 in two variables. Write 3x plus 8 equal to 0 in two variable form. We have to convert it into the two variables. Means simply we will write it as 3x plus 0y plus 8 is equal to 0. 3x plus 0y plus 8 equal to 0. Now the single variable equation is converted into two variable equation, in which in the given equation y is not present, but after the conversion y is present in the standard form. So 3x plus 0y plus 8 equal to 0. This is the conversion into the two variables of the single variable equation.